Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with William, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm William, your host.
Hi, William. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today.
It's great to have you, Emily. How are you feeling today?
I'm super happy, thank you. I'm excited about our topic.
Me too. I'm really looking forward to it. Today, we're talking about the future, our dreams and plans.
Wow, the future. That sounds big and exciting.
It is. We can talk about big dreams like jobs or travel and small plans like tomorrow. It's always fun to think about.
Yes, I love dreaming about the future. Before we start, everyone, please give this video a big like.
Absolutely. And don't forget to subscribe to Learning English with William. Share this with your friends who are learning English too.
Yes, please do. It helps us a lot.
Okay, Emily, let's dive into the future. Where should we start?
Let's talk about jobs first. It's a classic question. William, what do you want to be in the future?
Good question. I think I want to be a photographer.
A photographer? That's so cool. Why do you want that?
I love taking pictures. I like capturing beautiful moments like sunsets or happy people.
That's amazing. What kind of photos do you want to take?
I want to take travel photos, pictures of mountains, cities, and beaches around the world.
Wow, I love that. You can take photos for me when I travel.
For sure. I'll take the best photos for you. Do you want me to have a big studio or a small one?
A small studio sounds nice. A cozy place for your cameras and pictures.
Yeah, a small studio in a city. People can come see my work and feel happy.
I'd visit that studio every day. Okay, my turn. I want to be a teacher.
A teacher? That's awesome. What do you want to teach?
I want to teach kids, maybe English or art. I love helping kids learn new things.
That's such a kind job. You'd be a great teacher, Emily.
Thank you. I want to make learning fun for kids with games and stories.
That sounds like a happy classroom. So, teacher Emily and photographer William in the future?
Yes, it's a fun future already. Let's talk about something else. How about travel?
Ooh, I love travel. I want to visit so many places.
Me too. Where's your number one place to go?
My top place is Iceland.
Iceland. Wow, that's different. Why Iceland?
I want to see the northern lights. They're so beautiful in pictures. And I want to take photos of the ice and waterfalls.
That sounds magical. Are you going to eat Icelandic food?
Yes, I want to try their fish dishes and bread baked in the ground.
Yummy. Are you going to learn any Icelandic words?
Maybe a few like hello and thank you. It's polite to try it.
That's a great idea. Okay, my turn. I want to go to New Zealand.
New Zealand? Nice choice. Why there?
I want to see the mountains and green hills. It looks like a fairy tale. And I want to see animals like sheep and kiwis.
That's perfect for a future teacher. You can teach kids about nature.
Yes, and I want to hike and take pictures, not as good as yours though.
Haha, I'll teach you. New Zealand sounds amazing. Do you want to try their food?
Oh yes, I want to eat pavlova. It's a sweet dessert with fruit.
Sounds delicious. So Iceland for me and New Zealand for you. We have great travel plans.
We do. Okay, what's next? Where do you want to live in the future?
That's tough. I like cities because they're busy and exciting.
Yeah, cities have shops, cafes, and lots of people.
Exactly. I want a small apartment in a city with a big window for light.
A big window? That's perfect for a photographer.
Yeah, I need light for my photos. What about you, Emily? City or country?
I want a house in the country. A small house with a big garden.
A garden. What will you have in it?
Lots of flowers. Red, blue, yellow. And maybe a tree for shade.
That sounds so peaceful. Do you want pets in your country house?
Yes, I want a dog and a little rabbit. They'll play in the garden.
A dog and a rabbit. That's so cute. Your house will be full of love.
I hope so. What about you, William? Do you want a pet?
I think I want a cat. A small grey cat that sits by my window.
A gray cat. So elegant. It can watch you take photos.
Yeah, it'll be my photography buddy. So you have a country house and I have a city apartment.
Perfect. Okay, what else for the future? How about learning something new?
Great idea. I want to learn how to play the piano.
The piano? That's so cool. Why the piano?
I love piano music. It's relaxing and I want to play songs for my friends.
That sounds lovely. Do you think it's hard to learn?
Maybe at first, but I'll practice. Practice makes it better.
You're right. You'll be a piano star. What about me? I want to learn how to bake.
Baking? Awesome. What do you want to bake?
Cakes and cookies. I want to make yummy treats for my students.
Your students will love that. Chocolate cookies or vanilla?
Both, and maybe cupcakes with fun decorations.
I'm coming to your class for those. You'll be a great baker, Emily. Thanks. So you play the piano and I bake treats. Our future is creative.
Thanks. So you play the piano and I bake treats. Our future is creative.
It is. We've got jobs, travel, homes, and new skills. Let's talk about small plans now.
Okay, what are you doing tomorrow, William?
Tomorrow I'm going to the park to take some photos.
Nice. What kind of photos?
Maybe trees or people walking. It's a sunny day, so the light will be great.
That sounds fun. I'm going to call my sister tomorrow.
Oh, that's nice. What will you talk about?
Just catch up and laugh. Maybe plan a visit.
Talking with family is the best. Any other plans?
Yes, I'm going to read a book in the evening. A story about adventure.
Cool. I love adventure stories too. Okay, what about next week?
Next week I'm going to a craft class to make decorations.
Crafts, that's fun. What kind of decorations?
Maybe paper flowers or cards. I want to make gifts for friends.
That's so thoughtful. I'm going to a museum next week.
A museum? What kind?
An art museum. I want to see paintings to inspire my photos.
That's a great idea. Art is so inspiring.
It is. So our week has parks, calls, books, crafts, and museums.
It's a happy week. Small plans make every day special.
Totally agree. Big dreams are for later, but small plans are for now.
Yes, I feel so excited talking about this.
Me too. It's fun to imagine all these things. So we have my photography studio and your classroom.
Your trip to Iceland and my trip to New Zealand.
Your country house with a dog and rabbit. And my city apartment with a cat.
And don't forget your piano playing and my baking.
Never. Our future sounds so fun, Emily.
It does, William. Dreaming gives us energy to work hard.
Right. Even if our dreams change, it's okay.
Yes, just keep looking forward. Maybe tomorrow I'll want to be a singer.
A singing teacher. You'd be amazing.
Haha, maybe. Or you could be a photographer on a boat.
A boat photographer. That's a wild dream. Big or small, dreams are fun.
I agree 100%. This was such a fun talk, William.
It really was. I'm ready to start planning my Iceland trip now.
And I'm gonna look for baking recipes tonight.
Awesome. Okay, we're almost at the end of our episode.
Wow, time went so fast. This was a great topic.
It was. Now we want to hear from you, our viewers.
Yes. Please leave a comment below. Tell us about your future dreams.
What job do you want? Where do you want to travel? Share a big dream or a small plan.
We love reading your comments. They make us so happy.
And please subscribe to Learning English with William for more fun English lessons.
Share this video with your friends and family. It helps our channel grow.
Thank you all for watching today. It was so nice to talk with you.
Keep dreaming and keep learning English.
See you next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.